Hello guys, so today I'm making microwave popcorn for my family. Yes, microwave. So I got this brand new spices from Pick and Pay, and I just opened it, so it'll be fresh. I have to make sure it's still good, so I have to sniff it. I was just vibing for the music. Don't joke the way I make my popcorn. First thing I do, I know this stuff is supposed to have spice, the pre-made popcorn, but that stuff aren't even salty. So I first like putting the spices in, so they're at the bottom, so I can just mix it up. From the bottom goes to the top. So I'm just putting in my magic. I have to get a spoon, I had to mix it up. Moving over I was being overly dramatic. This, I got a popcorn out of the microwave, and the camera fell. Like, oh my gosh. So this was still boiling hot, so I have to like open it somehow. I just stopped vlogging for this. So see you later, guys. So the transition magic. This had a dance vibe. Cause my grandma's looking like ham. Oh, sorry guys, you felt me. So I'm done now. Decided to have a taste test. Let's try this. So it was very hot still. It was giving me scrumbly yum yum. Yes, it was delicious. I had to get more. I burned my mouth. That was worth it. How about the spices back? And bye guys, see you later.